In this video I'm going to be telling you how to fill yourself with positive energy. So being positive is something that takes, first of all, an intention is be good yourself. So have something that you like to have, like I'm having this probiotic drink, Yakult. When you're living alone, it's really important to enjoy your own company. Nice. Because if you get bored with yourself, that means you're essentially a boring person. So being very kind to yourself, saying good things to yourself, having a positive set of affirmations that you say in the morning, and what you tell yourself, the internal dialogue that you have, becomes very important. When you look into the mirror, what do you tell yourself? You're awesome. And just good things. I mean, it should not be overly done so that it doesn't become a narcissistic thing. So in order to make this instant kimchi flavor thing, all you have to do is just heat some water. And I'm just making something which is like a 1 minute thing. To fill yourself with positivity, I think one should also indulge into praying and meditation. And now what I'm going to be doing is, I'm going to be adding a poster on the wall. Like you can see this poster, it says today is the day. This poster says you got this. Make every day an adventure. There are like 2 artworks. And yeah, I mean I can frame it and then put it on the wall. Now anything which is positive and inspiring, something that you look up to when you wake up in the morning, a nice motivational thing, positive quotation or a nice picture, you can put it on the wall. On the entrance door. It's also good feng shui, and that is a good way of spreading some good vibes in your space. So you can buy these posters or anything like, don't worry about it, from nv24magic.com, and we have a huge collection of all sizes of posters and wall arts. Look at this. First you open this, then you open this. Let's put this thing like this. Got this planner, and I'm going to be planning this month of June, and at the same time we will be reflecting on the month of May. In this way we can actually see how much we have achieved, where do we have to go, and having a clear idea, a good intention is extremely crucial for us to go where we want to go. In the process of life, if you're not feeling grateful, then something is really missing. And universe doesn't support, God doesn't support those people who are not grateful. So for all the things that you already have, saying a big thank you from your heart is really very important. So you can write down what is one thing that you want to achieve in this month. We have a very wide range of products that is available in the international market, and that too of a very high quality. So my goal is to reach maximum amount of people in our country with magical products of NV Magic, and nv24magic.com becoming a solution for most of the people of our generation to make a intentional mindful living space. You have macrame hangings for filling the wall with a piece of art that is created by local artisans, and so much of art is involved in making it. It's so beautiful, like it can totally transform our space. Amazing posters like these, I'll just show you some. So they are available. This is an 80s motivational quotations that can enlighten you when you look at the wall, and that will just make you, look up to the day. Like it's inspiring. The walls don't stay boring and plain. Instead, they become very vibrant and like they speak to you. Like a good motivational quote, when it catches your eye, it actually subconsciously trains your brain too. So yes, we have a huge range of artwork, and we have a huge range of products to design a beautiful life. For example, this mug, this is from Envy Magic, and it says you're magical. So just imagine having water or coffee or tea or anything that you like to have from a cup, from such a beautiful mug, and then that's saying you're magical. So subconsciously you're training your mind to believe that yeah, you're magical. Also, the other mugs that we have, the very beautiful, very nicely made ceramic mugs, bone china mugs that are made by handmade, handcrafted. So it's all that the picture that you see there, it's my grandmom, and it's with all her blessings that I'm able to speak today, because she was the one who had given me everything that I needed to celebrate my life, who taught me yourself, to believe in self, and to know that you're magical. So surround yourself with positive people. So it's really, really very important that you surround yourself with people who inspire you, who are positive, and who won't let your child, your inner child die, or who won't bring your energy level down. So don't deal with those kind of people who will do that. If someone does that, stay away from them, block them. But fill yourself with people of that high vibe. So this picture on this wall, it's very inspiring for me, because every time I see my grandmom, I remember that she's there with me in the form of an angel and who's guiding me. So that makes my faith stronger. So praying is really, really important. Believing in that one super powerful force, it doesn't matter what name you want to give it, but believing in that force is really crucial. Praying not for materialistic gains only, but just for the soul's sake. Praying really, really helps. So I believe in Shivji. So I can tell you that if you just say Om Namah Shivaya, it can solve any of your problems. You have to just meditate Om Namah Shivaya, and you will realize what is the kind of calm that you feel. It gives you a very calming energy. It can completely take charge of your mental well-being just by practicing Om Namah Shivaya. That's a meditation. And if you see, Kailash is the only mountain that has never been climbed. They say that Shivji stays there, and Mount Everest is taller than Kailash, but Mount Everest has been climbed, but Kailash has not been. There's got to be some reason to it. People say that time and energy, things change there. People start experiencing very different things that has never been experienced before. So yes, believing that superpowers, believing that bigger powers than you, it's really important. I mean, you might be an atheist, you might not believe in gods, that's all cool, but sometimes ask yourself those questions, everything around you is moving, everything is vibration, everything is a creation. Who created all of it? How are you in this body? There's so many deeper questions to dwell in, and then you can understand that you're connected with that universal soul, and your soul is connected with that. So when you connect, your crown chakra opens, and you can be in a place which is filled with gratitude. You'll have only things to be grateful for. But for that, one needs to really be humble and pray and meditate. Okay, so then the top 3 big ticket items to close this month. So having a set of goal for the month is important. So it's not necessary that you will accomplish them, but at least it gives you an idea where you're moving, and it really helps, I feel, to have, say, 3 goals for the month. Now please, it's really important to understand that always having goals and getting them accomplished are 2 separate things. Maybe you have goals and it doesn't get accomplished for years, but that doesn't mean that your goal was bad or you were bad. It just means that you have to rectify certain ways and you have to do things differently. Or maybe it's a matter of divine timing. It doesn't mean that it won't happen, right? It will happen. It's just that, sometimes patience is developed in us. When things don't work out in our own ways, and when things don't happen the way we want, the universe is teaching us something. And it is about patience. It's about perseverance. It's about resilience. And these are very strong teachings. And pain makes character, privilege does not, right? So whenever you're going through that pain, it's a transformation that's happening, the transformation of the soul too. So it's really important that we be grateful even in those times and not start getting negative, because this is about being positive. So having this idea of positivity is really important. Key tasks and activities to complete this month. So you can divide what are the key tasks that you want to. So in this planner, it's given in this format. There are work goals and then personal goals. things not to do, habits to focus on. So I'm going to be like taking this time and doing this part because it's really important. Personal goal, I would like to do yoga every day and meditate every day and practice the scripting for manifestation every day. It's like a daily thing. Learn new things weekly. Prioritize self. So to conclude this video, the last segment is after you have a list of tasks that you're going to do for your work, list of tasks for your personal self, list of things that you should not do that you have learned. Maybe you were not sleeping on time, maybe you were not eating right, maybe you were not working out, maybe you were being rude to people, maybe you have been ignoring certain things. So at least knowing that it's a new month and you can always give yourself a new chance to become better. This should be always a scope of improvement, right? So if you've not been sleeping well, at least try to sleep and at least try to have a night routine. I'm sure we will have some progress if we try. And then finally, one massive action to undertake this month under the term of body. What would you like to do for your body this month? I would suggest yoga and work out at least 20 minutes, maybe 7-10 minutes, whatever. Every day, daily little bit of workout is very important. If you stop doing it, it's fine. Then you start again. Like I haven't been working out for the past 3-4 days. I didn't really have to say that, but I wasn't well. So I'll start from tomorrow. So yeah, it's like a balance that we maintain. Secondly, what is one massive thing that you would like to do for your mind? Now this should be meditation, because meditation has amazing powers to make you feel like all the good vibes. Thirdly, relationships. What is the one thing that you would do for the relationships? So I would say that call someone that you care about. Call them for at least some time. Maybe I'm not staying with my mom, dad right now, so I'm staying alone. So you're making some calls to mom, dad, brother, sister, someone else, anybody who you care about. Just give them a call and just see how are they doing, and that will make their day. And then one massive action for the world around me. So what would you like to do for the world around you? Maybe you can, what I would like to do is not really leave my AC on, because then global warming happens. Not using too much of products that emit CO2, and not going out without a mask. That's something we can do. Not really going out at all. So yeah, restricting movements right now is the best thing to do. So then plan your days according to how you want it to be, and this is how my journal looks like. And one weekly challenge: dump everything you have in your mind, every unclosed loop, onto a book. Every single thing that constantly passes your mind, it will take time. Categorize them and write action plans for each item. So this is cool. We have to basically write down everything that's going on in your mind in a book, like in a notebook, and then categorize them. Maybe there will be some patterns, something to do with, say, workout, looks, body, whatever. Put it under one category. Some goals, futuristic things, which will come under the manifestation category. Something to do with the work will come under the work category, and then making an action plan for each item. That should be a cool goal to have. And the same for the week is, big changes come from hundreds of tiny steps. So every little step matters. Hundreds of tiny steps. So let's start taking hundreds of tiny steps towards the goals that we want to achieve. Okay, so this was the video that I made for how to be positive and planning because we have come to the mid-year, half time, and it's already been crazy. So yes, I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you're also looking forward to it. Be positive and have that good state of mind. It's a very internal thing. Nothing from outside has to do with this. This is a self-concept, internal concept. You like my content, you like my vibes, subscribe to my channel. I'm Narita, and I make this content to make a little difference in your life so that it's a good time for you, and I can share the good vibes through my channel, and I hope you like it. Follow us on Instagram. NV24 Magic is our shop's Instagram page. You can buy everything that you need for a magical space to create a good vibe around you from www.nv24magic.com. and you can follow me on my Instagram, love_Narita_Joyce, and my co-founder of our company, Mr. Viplav Singh. You can follow him on Instagram too. It's Viplav's Life, and I hope you like it. He's not really he doesn't really like much to be on videos and stuff. And anyways, I'm living alone, so we can't really have a video together, but I would like to make a video together with him, and he's really one of the most important factors for me to be positive and happy, because he's an amazing positive person and he gives so much of strength. So yeah, love is very powerful too. So yeah, I mean, appreciate your loved ones, and it's really important to spread the good vibes. I hope you like the content. Bye.